Hi everyone, it's Alyssa, and today I am going to show you how to do a basic ponytail in your hair. As always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're going to begin by combing our hair out first to get a smooth, sleek look for our basic ponytail. Wrap a ponytail on your dominant hand all the way around your wrist. Grab all your hair in your fist and smooth the hair out around your scalp. Use a comb to get out all the tangles before putting in your ponytail. I like to comb my hair on all angles to make sure that I don't leave out any bumps or any tangles. Grab your ponytail with your non-dominant hand and bring it past your fingers. Now pull the hair through the loop of your ponytail. Hold your hair in one hand and twist the ponytail once with the other hand. Slide the ponytail around your wrist and grab all the hair out from your palm. Repeat until the ponytail is holding your hair securely. It's important to find the kind of ponytail that works for you. Find my recommendations in the description below. Your ponytail is secure when it is difficult to pull with your fingers. You can tug at the base to give the style a fuller look. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this basic ponytail tutorial. Make sure to check out my other videos and braid.inspiration on Instagram. Hi everyone, thank you so much for checking out my video at Braids by Alyssa. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new tutorials, and check out all my other social media platforms located in the description below.